Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Skullcandy Sesh True Wireless Earbuds. And here you see the charging case and the earphones itself. So we're going to take it out and set it aside. Let's look at what we have at the back of the box. So here you can see you have a QR code of sorts which helps you visit the Skullcandy's website and register any problems you might have. Here you have the user guide. It's quite a comprehensive one in a few languages. Here you have a micro USB charging cable with a type A on one end and a micro USB on the other. So you can connect this to a power brick or even your laptop or PC and charge the charging case with it. And here you have a few extra silicone ear tips. So it seems that the buds themselves have the medium attached, and these also come in large and small right here. So depending on the size of the ear, you can easily choose one that matches you the best, and that way you'll get the right isolation as well as the right fit for your ears. So you can see here that it's a plain black matte finish case. The Skullcandy logo is etched right on here, and it's a very simple case, but it is quite bulky. It's very heavy. It weighs around 106 grams, which is a lot more than some of the competitors. Here you have the power button of the charging case, which also relays how much battery is left. So as you see now, we have 3 bars of battery left. There are a total of 4 LED lights. At the back here, you have the micro USB charging port. So you can simply connect the wire, which we showed you earlier, to this point. And yeah, at the bottom, it's kind of like a rubberized surface, but it's not too grippy. So yeah, it's not too pocketable. It's going to bulge a fair bit from your pockets, but it looks pretty neat. So if you open it up, you'll see that there's a gray matte finish instead of the black one that's all over the box. And you can even see the golden points in here, which are the magnetic points that attach to the golden points on the earbuds themselves to fix them. It looks like there's quite a considerable amount of space, and there's even the left and the right indicators to show you where exactly to put which earbud. So we're going to look at the earbuds and put them into the case right now to see how they fit. So it looks like this one goes like this, and this one goes like this. So as you can see, the earbuds also light up red to indicate that they're charging, and contrary to our belief, we thought it would sit somewhat vertical in the case, but they actually sit in horizontally. So there's quite a bit of free room around, but it doesn't look like they really fall out. The magnets are strong enough to keep them in place, and yeah, it feels pretty strong. The magnets, they automatically pull the case even. So yeah, now let's look at the earbuds themselves. We'll set this aside for the moment. So the earbuds have a black finish, a matte black finish on most of the part, but the back here is a light gray finish with the Skullcandy logo right on top. So this part is actually the physical button as well. They're pressable. You can use all the commands here to control your playback. And yeah, here you see the golden points, and then there's a bit of a bulge, a significant bulge actually, and then you have the angled nozzles. So these look like they will fit pretty well in the ear. They'll provide a comfortable fit, but we have to try them to find that out. Here you can also see that when the earphones are in pairing mode, they glow blue and red, which indicates that they are ready to pair with your device. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.